We're up here on the 4th floor of the True by Hilton in Idaho Falls, Idaho. Got a pretty nice view out here of the falls and the mountains out there too. They got crappie for the elevators. But I am actually staying here tonight, and I'm going to show you all my room here. This is my first time staying at a True by Hilton. So here's our room, 405. All right, lights, and then, so we're gonna start over here in the security department. At first, we gotta get a look at the evacuation map. And then the Idaho laws for hotels. Security department, we just have this. And it is a little loose. One of the screws must be loose. So hopefully that's not too big of a problem. And then we have the deadbolt and the do not disturb tag. We have a mirror over here. Looks like coat racks, I guess. Coat hangers. Come in here, take a look at the bathroom, which has a nightlight. Pretty interesting and modern bathroom. It's a little small, but I like the look of it. So we have over here hand wash and lotion mounted to the wall, surprisingly. Hey there. We have box of tissues, got a hair dryer in a bag. Then the sink. Water pressure seems good. We have shower towels and washcloths down here, hand towels also. We got paper cups down here, and that's a laundry bag. Got a trash can and toilet paper over here. Here's the commode. Let me actually shut this for a second. We got towel hangers right here, foot towel right here as well. Get a look at the shower. It's not the biggest, but it does look nice and modern, which I do love. It doesn't have a rainfall shower head, sadly, but it does come with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So that's a plus. All right, so that's the bathroom. And then take a look over here. We have some hangers. It has an iron and an ironing board as well, and a place to set your stuff. And then down here is a mini fridge. Not the biggest, but gets the job done. Seems pretty clean as well. And now the rest of the room. We have a 2 queen, as you can see. It's got that nice and modern feel to me, and this is a relatively new hotel, I think. I'll have to check when this place was built, but otherwise, we'll start over here. We have the thermostat set at 62 for some reason. It's actually a little chilly in here. But we'll come over here. We have a luggage rack and more place to set suitcases. We got an outlet and some USB outlets on the side here. We got an LG flat screen TV right here. There's the remote. We got a small desk right here also. It has a rolly chair also. Lamp. Trash and recycling over here. Here's the AC unit. Yeah, it's controlled by the thermostat. We'll get a look out here. These trees are kind of in the way, so you can't really see the falls from here. But you still got some mountains out there in the distance, and also that really interesting quality inn right there. But it's an okay view. Let's try the curtains out, I guess. All right, I guess that's how that works. Rolly curtains, I guess. Oh, that looks like blackout if I had to guess. So I guess that's how the curtains work. Floor lamp over here controlled by this. And then there's also these lamps by the beds. Reading lamps, I'm guessing. Yeah, they adjust. We'll come over to the nightstand, which has 2 more outlets and 2 more USBs. We have an alarm clock, which looks to be about the right time. It's about 2 minutes behind. Then there's the hotel phone. Down here, just extra storage space, I guess. Now we'll review the beds. I'm gonna take my shoes off and test them out. This mattress is pretty comfy. The pillow is also nice and soft. So yeah, no problems here with the beds, at least so far. I'm not seeing anything up by the pillows, but the comforter looks good too. So yeah, it definitely doesn't seem like there's much to cover about this room. Seems pretty basic for what it is. But I mean, True is a relatively new brand to Hilton, and this is my first time staying at a True. So I mean, first impressions, it's a nice room, though kind of lacking in the amenities. Like, I would have hoped for like a microwave or something to come with the fridge, but hey, not all hotels have that. But I mean, this gets the job done. The beds seem comfy. The bathroom is adequately sized. So yeah, I don't know if I got much more to say about this room. If you're looking for a nice modern experience in lodging in Idaho Falls, I'd say this is a pretty good option. So hopefully this review was helpful for you all. I think that's going to go ahead and wrap this up. So thank you all for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free and you can always change your mind later. With that said, I'll see y'all later.